viewers, I'm Smita. Welcome to Karnataka kitchen. Today I am going to show you the preparation of sprouted green gram kosambari and tofu salad. This is a healthy, rich in protein, easy to digest, nutritious and diabetic friendly dish. Now let us look at the ingredients. For this, I have taken 1 bowl of sprouted green gram, 1 small bowl of chopped cucumber, grated carrots, steamed corn, pomegranate seeds, grated coconut, coriander leaves, little ginger, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and salt to taste. Into a mixing bowl, add sprouted green gram, which is a superfood and has vitamin K and C. Cucumber, very refreshing and nutritious. Carrot, good for eyes. Corn, helps in digestion. Pomegranate seeds, ginger, lemon juice, coriander leaves and salt. Mix well and take half of this to make a salad. For tempering, keep a pan on stove and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Oil is hot. Now add half teaspoon of mustard and little hing, 2 green chilies cut into pieces, little curry leaves and fry for a second. This is ready. Now add the tempering to 1/2 of the sprouts mix, little pepper, and grated coconut. Mix well. Green gram kosambari is ready. Now to the other half of the sprouts mix, add tofu. Tofu is rich in proteins, minerals and antioxidants. Instead of tofu, you can also use paneer. 2 green chilies slit into pieces, cherry tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and give it a good mix. Tofu salad is ready. Now let us garnish kosambari and salad. Garnish kosambari with coriander leaves. Kosambari is ready to serve. Garnish green gram sprouts and tofu salad with roasted watermelon seeds for crunchiness. Now tofu salad is ready to serve. Thank you for watching my video.